doesn't.
Yeah! Yeah! Rico.
Beats.
Sugar track. Rule number Don't worry about it.
Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name's Ivy, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this look, which is like a nice glam for like every day. You can use this for every day, though it's not personally what I would do for every day, but it's something I would like wear to church, or if I'm going out with my family, friends, or restaurant, whatever it is. It's like an everyday glam, if you know what I mean, because you can wear it every day, but I wouldn't do it every day, but still. Anyways, I'll be using some products that I got from e.l.f. So this is kind of like a first impressions, if you can say. Not really, but still. And I'll also be showing you guys my foundation routine. So I hope you guys enjoy. And let's just get into it, you know. So I already did my eyebrows. I use their brush, Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I don't know what color this is. Wait, my bad. It's deep brown. So I use that one for my eyes, my eyebrows. Oh God, no. As soon as I opened this in the package yesterday, I was already breaking it. Like, anyways, I did that for my brows. So yeah, usually when I do my foundation, it's always the same thing as if I'm doing a natural look or a glam look. I always apply it with this brush first, because I learned from MUA Black Swan that beauty blenders actually absorb your product. When you use the brush first, you're able to like spread everything around the face, and I usually do that before I go wash my beauty blender and get a beauty blender and get it damp, so that by then it already like kind of like dries on my skin, so that then when I'm blending this in, it's not like I'm taking away too much product. So yeah. When I get near my eyebrows, I usually blend it like from the beginning, as you can see, so that I can create more of a fade on my eyebrows. So then I always go in with my concealer, which is the Maybelline Fit Me, which is Caramel number 40. And I just pack that under my eye because I have an addiction with how concealer looks under the eye. And once again, I'm obsessed with concealer, so we're gonna add some more. And then after I take my translucent powder, so I'm just gonna use that, not to start baking, more to start setting. Oh, and I forgot to say in the beginning, what I use to basically prep my face before I put my concealer, my face products, I don't really use any primer. What I do is the TikTok hack. I put on my cream, which is Cetaphil, and then after I put on my Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder in the color, mine is color 35, but anyways, and then I dab that all over my face, not too much, but just right, especially on my oily areas. And when I'm done, I use my it's rose water from Garnier Skin Active, whatever you want to call this. Spray it all over my face, and I feel like ever since I've been doing that, I get like a smooth application, so that's what I do. All right, so I take my eyeshadow palette, which I got from Forever 21, my favorite palette actually, and then I take the darkest brown in here and I just go like contour my whole face. Now I'm gonna go with one of my brushes. I take any one because I don't really have brushes like that. Not that I really care, I just make what I want work. And then I'm gonna take this color, which is a bit brighter for my nose, because I don't really care for my nose. Yeah, I do contour, but I don't really be changing the shape. I just do it to do it, you know? Now I'm gonna start baking. And I like to like create kind of some type of sharpness over there. Now. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys are staying safe. Stay at home with your family. I'm gonna be saying this all the time. I hope you guys did enjoy. Once again, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.